Today we'll talk about how can you disable auto sleep on your Webull app. We'll go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, you click here on menu down here, you just click on it. When you just click here on menu, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on general here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to auto sleep, just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean auto sleep disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking